Hello buddies, here is Shrina Ashraf and today I am here with 5 presentation tips to boost your score in board examination. So let's get started with tip number 1. So the tip number 1 is fill your details very carefully. Your roll number and digits as well as in words should be perfectly correct, so there may be no misinformation about you. And now with the tip number 2. Underline the lines which you know that are important and should be read by the examiner. So if the lines will be highlighted, it will be catching the examiner's sight, and he or she may read the line and may get impressed and give you a good score. So and then with the tip number 3 is paste lines from NCERT, especially for the subjects like English, social science, and science. You should mug up some lines from NCERT, very important lines, and if you'll write the same lines as written in NCERT, the examiner may get to know that you have read NCERT very thoroughly, and he or she may give you good score. Then the tip number 4 is leave lines after completing every answer. If you leave line after completing every answer, the examiner will get to know that you have completed your answer by seeing the gap between the answers. And if you will not leave line, the examiner may consider two answers as one answer, and your score may be deducted, and your copy should look presentable. Now moving forward to last tip, which is tip number 5, draw diagram and mind maps with every possible answer. Especially in subjects like science, you should draw diagram with every possible answer, whether it is asked or not. You have to draw diagram by yourself. And in SST, if your answer is very lengthy, so you should brief it in a short mind map, so the examiner may get the all the information written in answer by reading that small mind map, and it will surely help you to boost your score. Ultimately, your knowledge and hard work will help you. Thank you so much.